how to turn on or turn off camera floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down, and click on shuttering method. So after click on shuttering method, so you will see floating shutter button is here. So if you want to turn on shutter button, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see floating shutter button is turned on. So if you want to turn off floating shutter button, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see floating shutter button is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off floating shutter button from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.